How much is the Oreo banana split?
Banana split?
How much?
$7
Let me get, can I get a, how much is the Oreo cup? It's $6, right? Okay.
Hi, my friend.
Hola.
Hello.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, bien, ¿y tú?
Muy bien.
Bueno.
Feliz lunes.
Es
Feliz lunes.
domingo.
Domingo.
Hey, domingo.
Domingo. Sorry. Feliz domingo. Wow.
No, yeah, sorry.
It's okay.
It's okay, okay.
Yeah. Have an awesome day. Bye. Have a great day. The Oreo banana split was $7, but I didn't got $7. I got $6. So instead, I got an Oreo cup. She said it was $6. And look, guys, looks like they have two sons. The other one was like, if he was like 5-year-old, right? He looks like a 10-year-old or something. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Peace out, my friends.